So the reason why you've probably clicked on this video is because you've seen an AI bot called DeepSeek that seems to be taking over the internet and you're not sure exactly why. Now I gotta be honest with you, I didn't know what DeepSeek was maybe 36 hours ago, but for the last 48 hours, I've been using it, testing it out, and I've been comparing it to similar AI bots like ChatGPT. And I've also done research into how you can use a tool like DeepSeek if you want to be able to make money online. That's the purpose of my channel anyway, is to help you guys start a side hustle. So I'm going to walk you through the background of what DeepSeek is, how it works, where did it come from, and how you can benefit from it when it comes to getting some sort of an AI side hustle off the ground. I'm someone that uses AI on a daily basis with my online businesses. I'm able to generate thousands of dollars every single day in doing so. So if you stick around for this entire video from start to finish, you're definitely going to learn something that's going to change your financial future. So first and foremost, what exactly is DeepSeek and how exactly does it work? So I'm sure by now most of you know exactly what ChatGPT is. You know, I've spoken about it many times on this channel. ChatGPT is actually the tool that I use every single day, and it works in a very similar way in the sense that you can have a conversation with it and it's going to be able to give you detailed responses back. So tools like this are very useful when it comes to you using it as an assistant. If you want to do research, maybe data entry, even getting a full-blown side hustle off the ground. And I do have to say that when it comes to using ChatGPT, I've not seen any real issue with it. You know, as I said, I use it every single day. So I was quite surprised to see how DeepSeek was able to blow up so quick. Literally within the past week, DeepSeek has surpassed ChatGPT in the iOS App Store in terms of the amount of downloads. And that's the reason why I'm making this video today, because for an AI bot that I've not heard of to, get so many users in a short amount of time, there must be something special to it. Now, the main benefit that I've seen from the users that have been using it for the past couple weeks is the fact that it's low cost, it's easy to use, and it's able to give you more accurate answers back in comparison to ChatGPT. Apparently, DeepSeek is able to solve really complicated math equations. It's perfect for coding, finance, and some other side hustles, which we're going to be speaking about later on in this video. But for the most part, that's a general overview of why DeepSeek is blowing up. And just to give you a quick background before I get into how you can use it yourself, it was founded in China in 2023. So it's a Chinese-based company. I don't know how long that's going to last because we've all seen what they've tried to do to TikTok. But it's a Chinese-based company founded by someone that owned a hedge fund, and he built this tool as a way for him to be able to, come up with algorithms when it comes to helping him with his hedge fund. And on the surface, this might not mean anything to you as a beginner, but these are some of the reasons why it's blowing up. It's taken over the AI space. Various different tech companies in the US are panicking and also being devalued. And all this could mean is that now that there's more eyeballs on it, it means that there could be more investment flowing into it, which means that it's going to get better over time. But let me just quickly jump into the laptop and show you the sign up process. It's really simple. You can go over to deepseek.com, or what you can do is come over to Google just like this, type it in there just like that, and then click on the first one in the results. Once on this page, you're going to be able to sign up with either a phone number or an email address. You need to enter a password, of course, or you can sign up using a Gmail email address as well. Now, at the time of me making this video, I've signed up couple days ago, tested it out, and I've not had to pay anything. It's completely free to use. Literally all you're going to need to do is just enter whatever information, phone number, email address in here, and they're going to send you a verification code. Once you go through that, you're going to be able to create your account. And this is something that you might want to do ASAP, because as this app or this AI tool becomes more popular, more people are going to be signing up to it, which means that they might restrict registration, or they might add some sort of payment, for you to be able to access it. So just create your account ASAP. It's not difficult to do. And once you have created your account, this is the page that you're going to see. So it's a very similar interface to ChatGPT in the sense that it's got this chat box right here, and it's also got the history of all of your chats on the left-hand side. If you want to start a new chat, all you got to do is click on this. And if you want to hide your chats, you're going to be able to click that button just like that. So as you can see, it's really simple, very similar to other AI tools out there that we've showcased on this channel, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and some others. Because if I just go onto ChatGPT, as we can see, it's a very similar layout. We've got this chat box over here. I've hidden my chats. If I want to expand it, I'm going to be able to do the exact same thing. But what I would say about ChatGPT is that they've got this GPT store where you're going to be able to find all of these custom AI bots that are focused on doing a specific thing. Whether you want to use a AI bot to turn text into image, or if you want to use an AI bot when it comes to helping you with Canva designs, there's so many different options. But this is something that DeepSeek doesn't have as of yet. But what I want to quickly do is put DeepSeek to the test. And on the screen right now, as we can see, I've got 10 different ways that a beginner can use ChatGPT to start making money online. I'm going to pick a random one and I'm going to compare how efficient DeepSeek is in comparison to ChatGPT when it comes to fulfilling on my prompt. So let's go with this one over here, finding a Shopify store that is printing money. On the right hand side over here, we've got DeepSeek, and on the left hand side, we've got ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is just paste the exact prompt into both. So I'm just going to type in this prompt and then I'm going to put the exact one over here. And all I'm saying is that I want it to give me 10 successful Shopify stores that are selling products that can easily be found or sourced on sites like AliExpress. And I want it to give me the URL for each. Of course, from this information, we're going to be able to go away, see exactly what products they're selling, see how much money they're making, and replicate them. So I'm just going to click on enter on DeepSeek. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing on ChatGPT. And this right here is a real life example of how fast ChatGPT is, and we can see that DeepSeek hasn't been able to give me the exact stores. What it has done is given me products that are doing well that we can maybe sell, but this isn't necessarily what I asked for. The reason why this is potentially a drawback of using DeepSeek is because with this information on ChatGPT, I'm now going to be able to copy the URL just like this, come over to this tool over here called Zeek Analytics, paste it in there just like that, and then click on search. And it's going to be able to show me all of this information when it comes to how many products have they got listed in their store, how many sales was they able to generate in the last 30 days, and how much money was they able to bring in as well. But of course, that's just one of the many ways that you can use a tool like DeepSeek when it comes to making money. Even though, yes, it wasn't able to successfully do exactly what I asked it to do, I can still use the information that it did come back with for me to go away and do product research. E.g., if I wanted to double check if GPS trackers are performing well, I'm going to be able to copy it just like this. I can still come back over to Zeek Analytics, paste GPS tracker in there just like that, say that I want it to show me stores that are dropshipping it, and then click on search. And it's still been able to come back with all of these results for all of these different stores that are selling these products. For example, there's this store over here. If I just click on this option, it's going to be able to take me to the back end of their store, show me how much money they've been able to bring in the last month. And I'm also going to be able to scroll down over here and see all of the products listed in their store and see exactly where they're potentially drop shipping it from. But for the most part, I would say that those are some of the main aspects of how DeepSeek works. Of course, I only touched on the surface. There's a lot more details that go into it, but what I want to end this video on is emphasizing the point that when it comes to utilizing any AI bot to help you make money, you need to use it as a tool. It's not going to be able to do everything for you. The mistake that most beginners make is that they assume that when it comes to utilizing AI technology, it's going to be similar to a robot in their house printing out cash like an ATM machine, when that isn't the case. The way I plan to use DeepSeek over the next few months when it comes to helping me make money online is in conjunction with other AI tools and of course my own hard work. For example, let's say if I wanted to specifically use DeepSeek to help me when it comes to selling products that I was able to find, I'm now going to be able to go over to an AI store builder, similar to this one over here, that's completely free to use. And I'm going to be able to now use this to get a Shopify dropshipping store set up. And during the process of me testing new products that I was able to find on DeepSeek, I'm also going to be able to utilize it when it comes to helping with product listings, helping when it comes to marketing campaigns, just generally helping when it comes to writing text that I'm going to be able to use in so many different ways. But at the end of the day, it's still going to come down to my own hard work as well as your own hard work when it comes to getting a side hustle off the ground. But in saying that, if you did want me to make another video where I go through the fine details of how you can use DeepSeek to make money in a number of different ways, then put in the comments down below, do the DeepSeek money video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But in the meantime, if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made recently, where I go through some other ways that you can use AI when it comes to getting a side hustle up and running in the easiest way possible, just click the link over there, watch that straight after this, because that video has already helped out so many people. I've gotten so many messages from you guys that have been able to benefit from it. So I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.